I used AI to copy a YouTube channel that's making $7 million a month. Today, I will show you exactly how you can do the same. Have you ever seen those colorful kids channels raking in billions of views every month? They're like a daily obsession for kids worldwide, filled with bright animations, catchy songs, and stories that kids love and parents appreciate. Now, imagine this. One of those channels makes up to $7 million a month from ad revenue alone. Sounds unbelievable, right? A few years ago, creating something like that would have meant hiring a team of writers, animators, and musicians, costing a fortune. But here's the game changer. With today's AI tools, you can create high-quality, animated kids videos on your own. No big team, no massive budget. In fact, the video you're watching right now, it took me just a few minutes to make and cost me absolutely nothing.
You're goddamn right.
Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can start creating your own animated kids videos with step-by-step guidance and tap into this multi-million-dollar opportunity. Let's get started. Everything begins with an idea. But what if you're feeling stuck or don't know where to begin? Don't worry, AI can help you brainstorm creative ideas in no time. Let me give you an example. I go to ChatGPT and type, "Give me ideas for an animated song video for kids." Within seconds, it generates several unique and fun ideas. One of my favorites was a concept called ABC Safari. Once I choose the idea I like, I take it a step further by asking ChatGPT to write a script and lyrics for the video. I type, "Write me a script and song lyrics for the idea, ABC Safari." If you're interested in more prompts, you can download more in the description. Now that I have my script and lyrics, the next step is create a visual plan. This is where I ask ChatGPT to describe each scene in detail. The prompt is, write the video prompt for each scene and always include the full setting in each prompt because the video generator could forget about the setting. Pro tip, always include the full setting in each prompt. AI video generators can sometimes forget earlier settings if they're not repeated. By providing a detailed scene description, you'll ensure your animation stays consistent. Once you have the scene prompts ready, it's time to create the animations. Don't worry, this part is much easier than you might think, thanks to AI tools. Here are some great options for video generation: Runway, Pika, Kling, and hailuoai, a newer tool with amazing results. For this example, I'm using hailuoai. Why? Because it offers 1 day of free unlimited access for new users, so you can generate as many animations as you want in that period. Practical steps. 1. Copy the detailed scene descriptions from ChatGPT. 2. Paste them into the text-to-video generator on hailuoai. 3. Queue up to 3 prompts at a time to save time. Sometimes, when a lot of people are using the tool, it can take a few minutes to generate your animations, especially on the free version. But here's the good news, even with some waiting, the results are worth it. After a short while, your animated scenes will be ready to download. Remember to preview each clip and ensure it matches your vision. Here's a preview of what I made. Now that the visuals are complete, it's time to add music. Don't worry if you're not a singer, musician, or songwriter. AI tools have you covered here too. One of my favorites is sunoai. It makes creating music as simple as copying and pasting. Practical steps. 1. Copy the lyrics you generated earlier from ChatGPT. 2. Paste the lyrics into sunoai on the left side under song description. 3. sunoai will generate multiple versions of your song. For example, in this project, sunoai gave me the 2 options. Let's listen to them. Song 1 is an upbeat tune with bouncy jungle vibes. Song 2 is an eclectic version with a safari rhythm. After listening to both, I'm going to choose the first one because it better fits the energy of this video. Now comes the fun part, putting everything together to create the final video. For this, I use a simple video editing app called CapCut. Here's how it works. 1. Upload all the animated clips into CapCut. 2. Add the song you downloaded earlier. 3. Arrange the clips so the visuals match the lyrics perfectly. Once everything is lined up, I export the video. Here's the final result.
A is for alligator on the muddy shore. B is for the buzzing bees you can't ignore. C is for the cheetah running free and wild. Welcome to the ABC Safari, child. D is for the dolphins dancing in the sea. E for elephants as happy as can be. F is for the flamingo standing by the lake. G is for gorillas who can cause a quake.
Pretty amazing, right? A fully animated kids video created entirely with AI tools. If you're serious about making your own animated kids channel, here are a few extra steps to keep in mind. Consistency is key. Aim to post regularly. Even if your first few videos aren't perfect, staying consistent will help you improve and build an audience. Experiment with styles. Try different animation styles and music genres to see what resonates most with your viewers. Engage your audience. Always ask for feedback in the comment sections. For example, what's your favorite part of the video? It's incredible how much simpler this process has become. You no longer need to be an expert in animation, music, or video production. All you need are the right tools, a little creativity, and a willingness to learn. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more tips like this, and check out the next video. I can't wait to see what you create.